What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on Revolut, and I'm gonna be teaching you how to connect Revolut and PayPal, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell also. So guys, how to link PayPal and Revolut. So basically your Revolut account details have to be near you, or you need to know them, including your account number and sort code, and you need to link it to the PayPal. So you need to sign into your PayPal account and go to the wallet option at the top of the page or in the app. Select link a bank or add a bank account. Follow the on-screen steps to enter your Revolut account details. So review the info and confirm. You may be asked to complete some additional security steps. PayPal will deposit 1p in your Revolut account, and this deposit will be accompanied by a 4-digit code on your statement. You'll need to enter this in your PayPal wallet to confirm your new bank account. Once your Revolut bank account is successfully linked to PayPal, you should then be able to withdraw funds to it. Head back to the wallet, select transfer money, and choose your Revolut account from the list of withdrawal options. Are there any fees? So as long as there isn't a currency conversion, you shouldn't pay a fee to send money from PayPal to Revolut. So overall guys, that's the entirety of the process on how to link PayPal and Revolut accounts. So overall guys, as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell also. That's it guys, goodbye.